If you're looking to offer influencer marketing services through Vendasta but aren't sure how to get started, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand how Vendasta can help you easily manage and scale influencer marketing campaigns. Stick around because I'm also going to share how you can use Vendasta for free with an exclusive bonus only available through the link below. First things first, Vendasta is a powerful platform designed to help digital marketers and agencies manage their services. It's a suite of tools that includes everything from social media management to SEO and even influencer marketing. But how exactly can you use it to offer influencer marketing services? Let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that Vendasta gives you access to a marketplace of pre-vetted influencers. This is huge, especially if you're just starting out or looking to scale. Instead of wasting time searching for influencers on your own, you can tap into this resource and find creators that align with your client's brand. Next, you'll need to integrate your clients into the Vendasta platform. This is straightforward. You can easily onboard new clients and manage all their influencer marketing campaigns in one place. Vendasta allows you to create customized campaigns, so you're not locked into one-size-fits-all strategies. The third thing is the campaign management features. Vendasta provides powerful tools that let you track influencer campaigns in real time. You can monitor everything from engagement rates to sales conversions, all in one dashboard. This gives you the insights you need to fine-tune campaigns and show your clients the results they care about. Now, the fourth thing that makes Vendasta stand out is its reporting capabilities. The platform has pre-built reports you can customize for your clients. These reports are detailed and professional, making it easy to showcase the value of influencer marketing. Instead of spending hours building reports, Vendasta lets you automate the process, freeing up time to work on other aspects of your business. Next up, you can offer full service. That means you can handle not just finding the influencers, but also managing contracts, communication, and payments, all through Vendasta. This is a huge time saver and makes it easier to scale your influencer marketing services without hiring additional team members. And finally, let's talk about the pricing. You can get started using Vendasta for free through our exclusive offer. Just click the link below. With this, you'll get full access to the platform and the bonuses we've secured for you. You'll be able to test out all the influencer marketing tools and see for yourself how much easier it is to manage campaigns through Vendasta. Remember, if you're serious about offering influencer marketing services, this platform has everything you need to succeed. With the ability to onboard clients, manage campaigns, track results, and even automate reporting, Vendasta makes it simple and efficient. So make sure to grab your free trial through the link below and start using Vendasta to offer influencer marketing services today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on using Vendasta to grow your business.